This is the story of Sammy, the audio sample. Hi, my name is Sammy, and I'm an audio sample. I started off life as an audio sample. That's me. My earliest memory is the day Mama Sign brought me and all my brothers and sisters into the world. We were so tiny, just little numbers really, barely strong enough to be heard. Mama knew we were small, so she gave us something special. Gain. Grow big and strong, she whispered, and suddenly we felt taller, more powerful, ready for the journey ahead. Then one day, Mama said, "Children, it's time to go to the operating system." So we journeyed to the border between the application and the OS. For me, it was a scary jump to cross over the boundary between these two processes. What would happen if we fell in? But my big brother explained to me that the distance really wasn't that big. Really, all that happened was we changed our virtual address. I guess I need to update all my contacts with my new info? In the OS, we met so many new sounds. "Hi," said one. "I'm from a microphone." "I'm from a phone call," said another. We all shimmied and danced with each other, and before we knew it, we all mixed into a new sound. I felt that I was the sum of all my friends. In the distance, I could see it. The DMA train, chugging towards us. Each group of us lined up to get on board. It's really important to be on time for the train. If you miss it, it would sound really bad. "Oh, it's my turn to go." Whee! We finally arrived at the I2S port. Each of us in turn needed to take the final step in our journey. My turn came. I took a deep breath and jumped. It was scary. Time stretched around me. I felt myself changing, being interpolated into 1,000 pieces. I was getting more pulse-like, but only a bit of me at a time. I felt jagged. Something needs to smooth out those hard edges. All at once, I was reborn. I was flying. I felt myself traveling through the air. I did it, I thought. I made it all the way from a sample to a real sound. And somewhere out there, someone's ears heard me. And maybe, just maybe, they smiled. The end. Thanks for watching.